What's up, netizens? Welcome back sa aming channel. And today, we're diving into something we all deal with, katotohanan versus opinions. Can you tell them apart? Let's find out with the squad.
Okay, kailangan ko na din sabihin. I think rainy days is the best days. Mood, cozy, perfections.
Opinion. 100% some people nalulungkot in a rainy days. Read mo lang naman yan at universal truth.
Fact check. Ang utak ng tao ay may kabigatan about 3 pounds. You can Google that. That's a fact. Maybe. Or, yun na ang gusto nila isipin natin.
I just show you po saying this skin cream removes all pimples in 2 hours. No. Girls, where's the proof? Opinion lang yan. Dress as a miracle.
Unless they show clinical studies and results. It's not a fact. It's a marketing.
Here's the school level fact. The Earth rotates around the Sun. We got science, satellites, and some centuries of proof.
But ancient folks believes the opposite.
Yeah, and that's how we learn opinion can exist by actual evidence.
Sometimes opinions come from the heart. Like, my mom's make the best spaghetti. That's love, not logic.
I'm underappreciated and deserve an award for this vlog.
Facts equals probable. Opinions equals personal.
You're allowed to feel things. Just don't call feelings facts. Check your source before you post.
Don't get fooled by pretty faces and bold claims. Be smart. Be real.
Know the game, know the truth.
Respect opinion but defend facts.
Facts brings clarity. Opinion brings color.
Some opinions should stay in the drops.
Facts. This vlog was fire. Opinion. I carry the whole team.
Alright, reality check fam. Hit that like button if you learned something and drop your most random opinion in the comments. Just don't say pineapple on pizza is bad. Well, fight! Know the difference facts versus opinions.
Subscribe for more reality checks.
Bye-bye! Hey mga ka-squad! Welcome back to our channel! Ngayon, pag-uusapan natin ng isang super importanting topic. How to tell what's real. Guys, alam niyo ba, may narinig akong chismis na may surprise quiz daw tayo sa mat bukas.
Talaga? Saan mo naman yan narinig?
Eh, sabi ni Asha Kanti, pero wala namang official announcement, di ba?
Exactly, kaya nga dapat tanungin natin sino nagsabi. Kung walang mga source, most likely, chismis lang yan.
Oo, parang yung mga minsan sinasabi ng lola natin, like, huwag maligo pag may pasok, magkakasakit ka.
Eh, paano kami nagpapi at naliligo after? Wala namang nagkakasakit.
Exactly. Dapat i-check natin kung may science pa behind those beliefs. Kung wala, baka tradition lang nila yan. Speaking of me, para naman yung mga too good to be true offer. Like, original shoes for 500 pesos.
Oo nga, tignan mo. Amoy glue, stretching pangit, logo mali, fake nga.
Kaya dapat gamitin ng common sense. Kung sobrang mura, most likely scam yan. At paano naman yung mga iniisip natin tungkol sa sarili natin like, ang bobo ko sa exam.
Yun ang pinaka-importante. Minsan, yung mga negative stuff natin, hindi naman totoo. Dapat, i-reflect lang natin yan.
Exactly. So, paano natin malalaman na kung totoo ang isang bagay?
Check the source.
Fact check!
Gamitin ang common sense.
Huwag basta maniwala sa mga negative thoughts.
At huwag kalimutan ng research din. Baka may ibang perspective na hindi natin nakikita.
Yeah. So, next time, may narinig tayong info. Tanungin natin kung totoo ba to.
At kung hindi, huwag basta maniwala.
Thanks for hanging out, guys. Comment below kung ano ang mga experience nyo about sa chismis.
At kung may mga myths kayong gustong i-dunk, let us know.
At dyan nagtatapos ang aming vlog! Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. See you in our next vlog. Bye-bye!
Mga myths kayong gustong i-dunk, let us know.
See you next
Ako na dyan. See you next week.
Isang super importanting topic. Natin po natin ang isang super importanting topic.
Anong topic?
A few moments later.
1, 2, 3, go. Hey mga ka-squad! 1, 2, 3, ano ganit? Lahat. 1, 2, 3. Hey! Suryabi! But defend back. Back! 1, 2, 3, go. Sometimes.
Another one.
Alam na. Action. Nakailip ko sa camera.
Hindi ka magkaroon mag-cellphone.
Hindi may cellphone talaga.
Ato bang kasaya na?
Ba't lang kayo?